Hello. Lisa. There we have the proud mother. Look at them. I think it's breakfast time. It's 8 in the morning. Let me see if we saw. Let me steal one of them. Look, it's a little boy. Oh, good girl, Miss, good girl. Don't want to disturb them right now as they eat. So, gently rub a little bit. Looks like one of them is facing the wrong direction. Hello. And she's a girl. She's a little girl. Hello. Let's quickly steal her. And measure the weight. So she's currently 3 days old. She's jet black with a little white on her chest. Let's quickly measure her weight. It's around 500 grams. Like, these babies are enormous. Like, imagine carrying 6 of them in your belly. So I went out to pee, so we have only the babies here. We have 2 boys and 4 girls. Oh yeah. They are cold. I could steal another one, and he's the firstborn boy. Look at how much he moves at just 3 days old. He's also enormous. He has some white to his fur, not only jet black, like most of the others. Of course, this coloring may change. Let's take him back. Here we have the proud father. He didn't meet his puppies yet, but I'll make sure to record his reaction when they finally meet. Kenzo?